Okay, so here's the rules. When we pick up a card,
That's a card.
6 apart, we have to say a word that starts with the same letter as that card. So 6 starts with an S, so we would say snake or something like that. So here we go. Ready?
Okay, it's you two. It's you two versus each other.
Ready?
Head to head.
Let's do this.
Ready? Flip it.
Asshole.
Asshole. Okay, now it's
Asshole. Now it's Riley. Okay, ready?
I'm gonna get this one. Pick a card.
Fire! School appropriate.
Whatever. No.
Sorry. What's the card?
Get the card. Get the card. King. Knife. Knife.
Good night. Hey, you two.
Ow. Finger.
That's a good one.
Fudge. Nuggets.
Hey, you take
Oh. Okay. Ready?
Me and Riley.
Set. Go.
Snake. I already said silk.
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 Silk. One.
Dab.
That's easy to fast.
Tall.
I don't know who won that one.
You're dry.
Wait, no, see. Oh, we already won. Never mind. Okay.
Ready?
Egg.
I don't know.
No, you didn't. That was the first round.
Easter basket.
No. That's 2 words.
It starts with an E.
Yeah, it starts with an E. Okay, you guys have, okay.
Kill. I could
K.
kelp. I said kelp. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay, get in on this card.
Samantha.
You can't say your own name.
Okay, fine.
I was gonna say cellulite.
Yeah, whatever.
Z.
Exactly. So you can't do it. So you can do.
Ready?
Small.
Okay. Now it's me and Riley. Ready? Get this. Flower. Flanders. I was gonna say Flanders.
You can't say your own name.
It's not my real name. Check my birth certificate, okay?
Go.
No.
Night.
Why was I
Night.
saying a kid? It's not fair.
Yeah,
Night
no.
starts with a K.
No, it doesn't. Night starts with an
Number.
No.
Night starts with a K.
No.
Which kind of night? I was thinking like armor night. Wait, night like day and night?
Yeah, like day and night.
Okay, I guess you're right.
Okay.
Ready?
Kelp.
Kelp. I already said kelp. Kitten. Say kitten. Okay, she said kid first.
Okay. But I didn't say it at all,
Ready?
so I don't know where you got that idea. Hold on, let me get a drink. Hold on.
Monster break.
Take that.
4! But look at the 4.
Oh, 4. Wait.
Fireworks! That's different than fire.
No,
That's different than
fire in it. Whatever. I'll give you that one. That's
give
good
her that.
sportsmanship.
Yeah, I get the good sportsmanship award. That's what I'm getting.
I'll get the best ever
Yep,
award.
whatever.
Telephone!
I don't think it's called telephone.